Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Explain Maths. Now this is the second video of the topic power play. Now this topic I have taken from new NCERT textbook of grade 8, which is Ganit Prakash. Now in this video I will be solving the few questions which is given in page 32 of the textbook. So let's begin solving the questions. So here the question is given, the distance between the Sun and Saturn is 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12 meter, and the distance between Saturn and Uranus is 1.439 into 10 to the power 12 meter. The distance between the Sun and Earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. And you have to say which of the three distance is the smallest. So in such cases, if we make the power, see base is same 10, 10, 10. If we make the power same, then we have to just compare the numerical values which is here, and then easily we can find out which distance is the smallest. So you can see here is 10 to the power 11, here is 12, here is 12. So either I have to make this 10 to the power 12 as 11, or I have to make this 10 to the power 11 as 12. Any one we can do. So I am converting 10 to the power 12 as 10 to the power 11. So it will be 14.335 into 10 to the power 11, and here it will be 14.39 into 10 to the power 11. Now just compare the numerical value. It is 14.335, 14.39 and 1.49. So obviously this is the smallest. So the answer for this will be the distance between Sun and Earth is the smallest. Now next question, the number line below shows the distance between the Sun and Saturn as 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12 meter. On the number line below, mark the relative position of the Earth. So there is a number line given. We have to mark where will be the position of Earth, and the distance between Sun and Earth is given as 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So based on these values, we have to find out where is the position of Earth in the given number line. So if you see both the numerical values which is given, here is 10 to the power 11 and here is 10 to the power 12. First of all, I'll make both as same. So I'm going to make this 10 to the power 12 as 10 to the power 11. It means I'm going to take 110 from here and I will multiply with 1.4335. Okay. It means what I'm going to do, 1.4335 into 10 to the power 11. Isn't it? Same. 10 into 10 to the power 11 is 10 to the power 12. Now if I multiply 1.4335 into 10, I will get 14.335 into 10 to the power 11. This is the distance between Sun and Saturn. And distance between Sun and Earth is 1.496. Now see here, 1.496 and 14.335. It means Earth will be somewhere near to Sun. This place. Here will be the position of Earth. Okay. Now moving to next question. Express the following numbers in standard form. So when you have to express the number in a standard form, means the value should lie between 1 and 10 into 10 raised to the power n. And in 1, the numerical value which lies between 1 to 10 where 10 is not included. Okay. So here in this number it means first number is 59,853. If it is a whole number, it means the decimal point is here. So you have to shift the decimal point from here to 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So it will be 5.9853 into 10 to the power. How many times you have moved? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 10 to the power 4. Okay. Now same way the second one, your decimal point is here. You have to bring it between 6 and 5. Between 6 and 5. So again you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 6.595 into 10 to the power 4. In the third case, decimal point is here. So you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 3.43 into 10 to the power 6. Now remember, if the number is having trailing zeros, you have to eliminate it. No need to write that. Now here in this question, the fourth one, the decimal point is here. So you have to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 7.004 into the power 10. So you have noticed that whenever I'm shifting the decimal point from right to left, isn't it, this direction, the power of 10 is positive. Now next we will see when we shift the power point from left to right, the power will be negative. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you.